Go ahead. Haley eating wonton soup. Go, Haley. No.
What?
Feed her! Now stop.
Okay. Do you want more?
Let her keep going. This is good.
Haley, do you want more? Haley, more? Here, bub.
Haley, you like wonton soup, huh? Alright, one more time. One more time for the camera. There you go.
Do you like it? Is it good? Do you want some more? You like it? Tell mommy more. Here.